Hi everyone, welcome back. So if you guys saw our last video, then you know that we currently just switched bedrooms with our son, and now I'm going to switch our closets. So this closet is technically our son's closet, but we're switching it over to our closet since it's in our new bedroom. So I'm going to go ahead and start and take everything out. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean the walls and clean the shelf, and also sweep and mop. And I'm also distributing some things for Goodwill and some things to throw away that we just don't use or are not in need anymore. So now we're starting to bring everything from our old closet into our new closet. We're starting off with the clothes, so we're bringing in all of our clothes. I honestly thought that our clothes was not going to fit because this closet is way smaller than the closet we were using beforehand. So I was a little scared that it wasn't going to work, but unfortunately, it all did work out, and all of our clothes fit very tightly, but it all fit. So after we brought in all of our clothes, I went ahead and brought our shoe rack over. We have this shoe rack, I think we got it at Bed Bath & Beyond a couple of years ago, and obviously we use it for our shoes. We got rid of a couple of shoes that we were just no longer using anymore that were going to go ahead and go to Goodwill, and then I just started organizing all of our shoes together. After I did this, my camera totally died, so I wasn't able to film much more of this closet, but basically I brought in as much things that we were still going to be using, and I put everything inside this closet. So basically our shoe rack, all of our shoes, those cubbies at the top, those are all from IKEA, and then those red cubbies on the sides that are hanging are from the Dollar Tree. I really like them, and these hooks work perfectly to just hang them. I really like that. And then obviously our hats and all that. So this closet right here is Michael's new closet. It's huge. This was our old closet and I loved it, but obviously now that we have this new room, we had to switch closets as well. So I'm doing the same exact thing that I did for the other closet. I'm just cleaning the walls, the shelf, sweeping and mopping. So my husband Michael brought in this white cubby from IKEA. It was actually in our son's old closet, so we switched it over here. And in our old closet, it was standing up, but we laid it down this time and it worked. And I'm bringing basically all that was in his closet over to this closet. And since this closet is so big, I'm also going to use it for storage. So half of it is going to be our son's and half of it is going to be storage. Now, those boxes that I'm bringing in, the yellow and black boxes, that's actually all of Michael's old clothes that no longer fit. So if you guys want to see how I organize all of his like clothes that don't fit anymore, let me know in the comments below. And am I the only mom or parent that stashes away gifts? So all of these toys that are up here on his closet are basically gifts from Christmas and from his birthday that I just haven't opened yet, because he already has so much toys that I feel like I don't want to like overstimulate him, I guess. So what do you guys think? Am I like weird for doing that? Am I like depriving my son from all his toys? I'm so weird. I know. I'm sorry. So anyways, yeah, I'm just organizing this closet, trying to make it look as pretty as possible. And again, I'm using this closet as storage as well. So on the side of this closet, you guys will see that I have these hangers. I got them at the Dollar Tree years ago and I really like them, and they work perfectly in this closet to hang his bags and the umbrellas that we use, and I like it. So this is what the closet ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see how I organize his clothes or his drawers or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to do something like that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everybody.